Ever dreamt of wandering the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu, but held back by the thought of spending a fortune? Well, today we're here to bust that myth and show you how to make that dream a reality without burning a hole in your pocket. First off, timing is everything. If you want to explore Machu Picchu on a budget, it's best to plan your visit during the shoulder seasons. That's May to September or November to March. This way, not only do you dodge the bustling crowds, but you also avoid steep prices. Next up, let's talk about where to lay your head after a long day of exploring. Instead of splurging on pricey hotels, consider budget-friendly hostels or campsites in Aguas Calientes, the gateway to Machu Picchu. These accommodations offer a unique experience and help you save those precious pennies. Now, on to transportation. Ditch the expensive train ride and instead, hop on a local bus or join a group tour to reach Machu Picchu. A little tip here, if you're a student, don't forget to carry your student ID. It can get you some sweet discounts on entrance fees. And what's a backpacking trip without some self-cooked meals? Save on food costs by shopping at local markets and preparing your meals. It's not just cost-effective, but also a fun way to immerse yourself in the local culture. Remember, the key to backpacking is packing light and being prepared. Wear comfortable shoes and dress for all types of weather. You never know what Mother Nature has in store. So there you have it, an affordable way to experience the magic of Machu Picchu. With a little bit of planning and these budget tips, you can have an unforgettable adventure without breaking the bank. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel guides and tips to fuel your wanderlust. Now go forth and conquer Machu Picchu without worrying about your budget. Safe travels.